What you got there, buddy? You look like a happy boy. Where'd you get him? I should say, did a cat get him? Can I see him? Come on, let me see. You're protecting him. I don't think he needs too much protecting. I don't think he's going to go anyplace. Yeah, it looks like a kitty might have gotten it. And you probably snagged it from a kitty cat. You have some feathers on your nose. Can the other boys have? Can I? Come on, let me. Look at him. Look at he's protecting that birdie. Look at the little claw. Come on, let me have it. Let me have it. Up, up. Oh, he's not budging. He is not budging. This one wants it. Here he goes. And that one wants it too. What do you see? What do you see, pal? It's a bird dog there. That is a bird dog. That's a happy puppy boy. He's wagging his tail. Says, look what I've got. I've got myself a birdie. What's left of one. Probably shouldn't be changing the angle on the camera. It won't work out too good on a playback, will it? That is a happy boy. You're waiting your turn, aren't you? Look at that big boy. You think there's a second stomach in that head? What about you? Here's another good puppy boy. Good boy, Samson. We'll put you on YouTube. Make you famous.